day one of SkyWeek France 2 and we're back in Normandy. The weather is actually surprisingly quite good. It was raining on the way in. We've got this nice blanket of cloud. We've got people in the air. That's what matters the most.
Where you've heard about love and giving sight to the blind. My baby loving cause the sun to shine. And she's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm a little...
Good to be back on another Sky Week. Looking forward to getting up.
Yeah, I love my baby, my heart and soul. Love like eyes I won't never grow. She's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm a little lover boy. Yeah, I love my Lenny. She's long and lean. You mess with her, you'll see a man get me. She's my sweet little thing. She's my pride and joy. She's my sweet little baby. I'm a little lover boy.
So these conditions, they're unbelievable. We're meant to have had a massive rainstorm, that hasn't turned up. So we're taking advantage of the incorrect forecast and we're going to do a cross-country flight back to where we were 3 months ago. We're here for the 80th anniversary of the D-Day landings, and on that flight we were very fortunate to fly over the Pegasus Bridge, which was the first thing to be captured by the British. So Pete and I, who's an ex-para, has been there many times, are now going to take off and lead a group and fly over and land at the airfield just inland from where the Canadians were landing at Juno Beach.
There is Pegasus Bridge. I can only imagine what the boys back in the war actually went through. It's actually turning my stomach just looking at it. Old 64, quite important to me, my old regiment. But yeah, came in and had a major battle. If you can see over there, that is the museum, that is the old original bridge. I have been there and walked it, and you can still see all the bullet holes and everything in the bridge. So yeah, amazing. Amazing.
Back at the Typhoon OLM airfield where Ted and I were only 3 months ago, just before the 6th of June, 80th commemorations, and totally different because all the crops have been cut, but that was one hell of a flight. Went over Pegasus Bridge and then over Hillman, which is this bunker complex which gave the British a bit of trouble on D-Day, and you can see a tank outside, you can see all the underground bunkers. Definitely something we need to go and visit on foot now.
Historic flight, you know, beautiful to come across this part of the world. Amazing, loved it.
For me, extremely nostalgic. Obviously it was my old regiment back in the war. Yeah, it put a lump in my throat.
So we're in southwest, kind of central France, just south of Poitiers. We've come down from Normandy, where we've had a fantastic time. Weather has been very kind to us. We saw the forecast, it's getting windier. So yeah, we've driven down only about 3.5 hours, so not too far. And the weather's pretty good, so I'm going to pop up and test the air.
Just arrived, second location,
hot and sweaty, trying to put my trike together, but glorious weather, excellent airfield, bit more space. Yeah, looking forward to it. Hopefully get a flight in tonight. Awesome.
Wake up, mama, turn your lamp down. Wake up, mama, turn your lamp down low. You got no nerve, baby, to turn Uncle John from your door. I woke up this morning, held them states above.
Making progress. Don't like the weather. Love France. Fantastic company. Yeah, really enjoyed SkyWeek.
This is why I do SkyWeek. Come back, meet the guys, get familiar with being up in the air. You can't ask for more, really.
So that's the end of SkyWeek France 2. It started off in Normandy, had some great flying weather there, and then we come down to this area just south of Poitiers. It's been not quite as good, but it's still been flyable. Little patches of flyable weather each day, which some pilots took advantage of. So that's it for the European season, and we'll be back next year, 2025. But before that, we've obviously got a season in Portugal and Spain, followed by a SkyWeek trip in Brazil, and then it's the big one, Namibia, followed by Brazil again. So I'm looking forward to the next 6 months.